Hi, thanks for stopping by to check out this video from Hall Marine, Columbia. Hey, thanks for stopping by to check out this Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. You can see the gel coat on this one is red with kind of a gray and black accent. It's a really sharp looking boat with this dark tan interior. As we get ready to board, I want to show you a couple of things. One, you've got this swim step right here. It actually flips down and gets you real about an inch or so submerged into the water. Easy to board the boat, but it's just fun when you're out at anchor. You're right there just sitting, staying cool, and hanging out right by the boat. You've got a sun pad right here with your cup holders and an easy walkthrough. As we board the boat on this 240 Sundeck, you'll notice we have an easy walkthrough, steps down. You've got an L-shaped area here. That backrest will flip-flop forward. If you want a little conversation pit, turn the helm seat in. You've got a nice area for everybody to talk and make some memories. If you're out cruising, you flip it back and you've got a lot of seating as well. This seagrass material snaps out, makes it easy for cleanup. Couple in-floor storage lockers right here, and there's one forward as well. Just flip those right up. Heavy duty gas assist struts make it easy to put gear in and out. As you take a look at the helm, you'll notice the stitching, just the sharp looking helm that you would expect from a quality brand like Sea Ray. Tilt steering wheel, your stereo controls, all of your switches, depth finder, everything you need right there at the at your fingertips, and your digital controls. As we come over to the head compartment, you'll notice the nicely appointed head compartment right there, nice and big, a functional space as well, whether you're a kid or an adult. Cup holders, armrests, high quality stereo system. That's what you get. Sea Ray has been around for so long. They have such a reputation of quality. It's just there's a reason Sea Ray has the reputation it does. They just do 1,000 things that make the boat stronger for a lifetime, like the upholstery, like the materials they use, and the little details. Stainless steel grab handles inside the boat, heavy duty hinges, heavy duty struts, all those little things really add up to a more enjoyable, more relaxing, more fun boating experience, and ultimately more memories for you and your family. As we look up in the anchor locker, so you have a beach boarding ladder and a dedicated spot for your anchor that you can tie down. And this is the Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Give your Hall Marine boat specialist a call to inspect this Sea Ray or any in the Sea Ray Sundeck lineup.
While you're here, let's cover 7 important things you need to know while working with any of our 6 Hall Marine locations. Hall Marine has been awarded a top 15 ranking in the boating industry top 100 dealer ranking for 7 years in a row. In 2012, coming in at number 15 amongst 3,000 plus boat dealers in North America. So you know that you will be taken care of by a dealership that has the highest levels of professionalism, customer service, and stability in delivering on the promise of the boating lifestyle. Make sure to ask any other area dealer if they were awarded a position in the top 100 boat dealers. And if not, why were they excluded? We offer several consumer boating reports available at hallmarine.com. Our most popular is the Family Boat Buyer's Guide. You can request this report for free using our website under the Buyer's Resource tab, or ask your boat specialist for a free copy at the dealership. All 6 Hall Marine locations offer a full-service boat dealership with certified Mercury and MerCruiser mechanics. We are also the only 5-star certified dealership in Marina in the Carolinas and Georgia, certified by the Marine Retailers Association of America and the National Marine Manufacturers Association. Why are no other dealers in the area deserving of this 5-star rating? Do you really want to find out? We are the only boat dealership in the Carolinas and Georgia that uses a consultative selling process, making the boat buying process easy and fun while working with one of our knowledgeable and professional boat specialists. This simple process, along with our 95% plus customer satisfaction scores, have also earned us a master dealer status with Brunswick Corporation for Sea Ray and Boston Whaler. What do real-life boaters have to say? It's easy for me to talk good about our boat dealership and customer service, but what do our actual clients and boat owners have to say about us? Check out all the testimonials on our website at hallmarine.com to see for yourself what kind of experience they've had and what you can expect as a future boater with Hall Marine. We have the largest selection of new, used, and brokerage boats, pontoons, cruisers, and yachts in the Southeast, with over $15 million in inventory and 300 plus boats available for you to choose. Here's our dealership mission statement. Our parents brought us up to know right from wrong. There's very little gray area. In all our dealings for more than a generation, our family has wanted to do right by our customers. It's a matter of integrity. That's our family value system and our company's mission statement in the Carolinas and Georgia. If you are ready to own your first or next boat, give your local Hall Marine boat specialist a call to schedule a time to talk boats. I'd love to add your story to the over 13,000 happy boaters we've already assisted here at Hall Marine since 1976. Again, call your local Hall Marine boat specialist at the number listed below or email sales@hallmarine.com.